In this video, I will show you Coinbase Pro. Now I am going to discuss margin trading FAQ. So let's start. Why are you shutting down margin trading? Due to recent changes in our regulatory environment, we are no longer able to offer this product to retail investors. You can find more detail in our blog's post on this topic. This will happen to my existing margin position. You existed margin position that were created before 2 p.m. PT on November 25 will not be affected. At the expiration of your loan term, 25th day from the date of organization, your position will be closed out by selling crypto for the value of the loan. Once the loan is closed, you will not be able to enter into a new margin position, nor will we enter into a position on your behalf. Why are my open limit orders being cancelled? When you create an order on Coinbase Pro, we check your buying power before the order is created. Once margin trading becomes unavailable, your buying power decreases and we thus may not be able to execute any order that were already created. Will I still have access to reporting for margin trade? You can access your previous trade, including margin trade, via the order or statement section of your account. Create your cryptocurrency today. Coinbase has a variety of features that make it the best place of start trading. Manage your portfolio. Buy and sell popular digital currencies. Keep track of them in the one place. Recurring buys. Invest in cryptocurrency slowly. Over time by scheduling by daily, weekly and monthly. Vault protection. For added security, store your fund in a vault with time delayed withdrawals. Mobile app. Stay on top of the market with the Coinbase app for Android. The most trusted cryptocurrency platform. Here are a few reasons why you should choose Coinbase. Crypto trading platform. With cryptocurrency maintenance, it fame of being a new trending and advisable way to investing. Many people around the world have shown interest. The crypto trading site have also become more with the increasing number of investors. This have made it hard when it come to selection and making a choice on the site. To use below are the top 10 crypto trading platforms. Bitcoin era is one of the most famous of reliable cryptocurrency trading platform in the market currently. The anonymous crypto trading site provide user the traditional, beneficial and user-friendly cryptocurrency investing service to a broad spectrum of cryptocurrency trader. Its platform leverage innovative automated algorithm to uncover the most portable trading signal in the market. The Bitcoin era is criticized by high profitability compared to other such platforms in the market today. The onboarding process is easy and swift. Furthermore, the development of Bitcoin era provided its user with a demo trading account of risk-free learning and to test strategies. The customer service team is excellent and every reliable. Bitcoin era was built and regularly optimized by an elite cryptocurrency trader and a statistic expert, allowing it to achieve a success rate of more than 90%. Operational since 2011, Kraken is US based cryptocurrency trading platform. Thanks for watching.